Hi guys. Long time no see. How's life? Okay, so first of all, I'm back. Obviously, if you're watching this, hopefully you're one of my OG YouTube subscribers. If you're new, welcome also. I'm Zuri, and I'm really excited to be popping back into my channel. I have a lot to catch y'all up on, and I have many an update coming soon. But today, this is really just a super fast check in to let you know that I'm back on YouTube, baby. I'm so excited about this. I have taken a few years away from the channel to really just sit with this next chapter of my life, to get really intentional about how I'm showing up online in digital spaces. I think all of us would agree it's getting a little weird out here. It's getting a little crazy out here. And so I have really enjoyed actually taking some time to kind of like step back, live a very lovely private life, and then come back with a certain level of intentionality, right? It's about how we share and the why behind our sharing. And that's been one of my biggest lessons and breakthroughs over the last few years. And so now, I've taken some time to fill my cup because ironically, I was burnt out, and I will get into that more in future videos. But I just needed to practice what I was preaching and what I was living for quite a while until I wasn't. I was kind of on the hamster wheel. I was grinding, and I was like, this has to feel good again. And so I took the time to do what I needed to do, to rest, to play, to explore, to learn more about myself, to stay committed to the self-work and the therapy and the quality time with loved ones that have always filled my cup. And now I'm like, I miss my people on YouTube. So I'm going to get into all of it later, but I just wanted to do a quick check-in so we back in this thing, okay? So don't go anywhere. If you're not subscribed. I also have a really exciting project that I have been quietly working on this entire year. Well, not the entire year, but like 9 months. It's been a minute. But I am launching a show, and I felt like you were who I wanted to tell first before I put it on Instagram or TikTok or anywhere else, because y'all have been rocking with me since like almost the very beginning. I've had this channel for, gosh, like a decade at this point, which is crazy to think, more than a decade. So one, thank you. If you are still here, thank you. I appreciate you. I love you. I've missed you. And I'm excited to be back with you. The show is called Not About Sports. And it is all about talking to your favorites in the game about everything except the game. I love human interest angles. I love getting to the heart of the matter. I love talking one-on-one with the celebrities, the actors, the musicians, the athletes, the artists that I meet and I interview for a living. And now I'm just really excited to be creating my own project that exists at that intersection of entertainment, Hollywood, and sports. And y'all are gonna love this. Like, I'm so excited. I think I'm peppering in. You might be seeing a little bit of B-roll that I'm peppering in right now because I wanted to give you a sneak peek before I gave anyone else a sneak peek. We are premiering Tuesday, January 6th, 2026, new year of the horse is what they're telling me. And I'm very excited about that because this was the year of the snake, which was supposed to be a lot of shedding and releasing what no longer serves you as we step into what will be and ascension next year. I believe that. I'm claiming that for myself, for you. And this show is the start of that. I have so much more that I can't share yet. But again, I wanted to share what I could with you first. So make sure you're subscribed. Make sure you hit the premiere button to be informed as soon as this first episode drops. And then I am going to be getting back to mini vlogs and some one-on-one time with you right here on my couch, just like we used to do, so that you can tap back in, if you so desire, to little glimpses into my life and the world that I am a part of, and especially what life looks like for me now, because I've worked really hard to get here and I feel really good. And I have felt really good for a long while now. And I can't wait to share more of that journey with you. and the why behind it. So I love you. I miss you. And I'll talk to you soon. Mwah. Happy holidays.